Yo, yo, yo. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get free TikTok coins. So as you can see, I got 200,000 coins right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free coins. It's not hard. It sounds hard, but it's not. So all you have to do is go to this site. It's called zoomods.com, and they got like tons of modded apps. So once you're on the site, we're just going to type in TikTok. Of course, my keyboard doesn't want me to, but there it is, TikTok coin mod. Press on that. It's going to start downloading. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a little like verification you have to do, but it's pretty easy. You just have to download like two apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. All right. So it's going to load up. 100% downloaded. Yeah. So basically, it's going to say that we have to install two free apps to automatically install the TikTok coin mod. So there's going to be like usually like four of these apps to pick from, and you just want to download like two of them. You can see that Family Island, it says reach level 15, so that's pretty easy. They've also got like the Pago app, down and register valid info. I don't know. I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, you might have different apps, but just press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the store, and you just download it. I'm on an Android, so if you're on an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store. But anyway, I'll see you guys later, but make sure you do that. And after you complete the two apps, you should get your free TikTok coins. As you can see, I have 200,000 coins right now on my account from this mod. So it is pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Because a lot of people are just thinking that it's hard to get free TikTok coins, but in reality, they just don't know the secret sites, the secret sauce. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and peace out.